So this is where our offices is, Dubai Sports City. The great thing about it is that is FC United. I'll show you up from the office, the pitch. The manager of that football team is actually Andre Pirlo. So if you know your football, you know who he is. And there is talks that Xavi is coming to take over. Also, the gym that I go to is just there, Fit Republic. So I get in the morning, go to the gym, get showered, straight up to the office. But my office overlooks the pitch, so when the football season's back on, sometimes at night we can watch games in there. So it was real dark. So yeah, this building was actually all apartments. They turned it into offices. So here's our office 603. As you can see, Blakey Trades sign on the door. So in the office, I'll just quickly show you around, and then this is Nang's room. That's Nang behind the camera. This is the podcast room. So yeah, we've got the podcast in here. This is where we do like some live calls, training calls, and then we do the podcast here. So we get like clients in, and we do the Say It Anyway podcast in here. A lot of people like some of the pictures we've got. Obviously, this is the kind of stuff I focus on, mindset. And so there, look, this is the view that we have. There, look, the pitch is like carpet. And obviously when the football season's back on, the floodlights go on and you can sit and watch the game from up here. Like I say, it's a really good standard. This is our office. This is Lee, operations manager. So yeah, this is where we do a lot of the work. Lee's obviously one of the operations managers. We've got quite a lot of staff here now at Blakey Trades. In fact, we've got loads. I'm not going to go through them. We've got a couple of ops managers. We've got people in the UK. We've got partners. We've got support team. We've got a few support team. We've got people that run all the inquiries that come through. We've got media staff. Nang behind the camera. Jodie's obviously my PA. We've got a lot of people here that make sure that this organisation, business, whatever you want to call it, runs perfect. It is not just your standard group. We do, I think we've got multiple live video sessions. So we do training calls throughout the day, live trading sessions. It all takes organisation. So this is a big operation here. Obviously, this is my vision board here. A big believer in vision boards that I journal in every day. So these are my journals. I journal every single day. I know where I want, I know where I'm going, and I know what I want. So today I am going down to Damac to sign for another one of my off plans towards my portfolio. This will be my fifth. It is a 1-bed apartment. We are going down to Damac Lagoons, where it is situated in just past Tel Alagath, where I live. Come on.
Hiya.
Can't stop buying football cards since my son's told me about opening these cards, and I've got a signature. Why are you laughing? I've got a good signature card before. But the thing is, I don't just buy one pack. I always go and buy like loads of packs because I'm like, I want a really rare card. So I'm that nerd that was on a flight back to Dubai in business class. Everyone's like having the champagne and that. I've got my card book out, putting them all in order and that, opening packs galore. Should we open a pack while we're on?
It's like it's fun.
Got to do it. You got to do it nice and neat as well. So you don't get. Oh, imagine if. Oh my God! I got a Vinny Junior Black Edition. That is a good card. I guarantee if Noah was here now, Noah would be like, "That is a sick card, Vincent Junior Black Edition card. I like it." That seems good, Rodri. But there's like, you get signatures and that of legends. I can feel Jodie laughing her head off in back, but who's that? So one more pack for you while we're on. That's good. Black Edition, Vincent Junior. So you get them that are numbered and stuff. So like I've got some at home. My best card is numbered 1 out of 10. So there's 10 of them cards in the world. So I'm starting to like, she's laughing her head off. I'm protecting them all and stuff. But I need a little hobby.
Oh, it's intense.
No, that one's not that good. Tottenham. Not that good. It's basically the best card in that was that. One more. This is what I get like. Then I'm going back to the shop to buy more. So one more card, and I'm going to give one of them. I've opened 3. I'm going to give 1 each to kids. The thing is, they end up pulling the best card. Oh. That's good, Rodri. Oh no, that's good. Endrick. So that one there's Endrick. He's such a young player. but you need numbered ones. Like, that's just a base card, really. So, yeah, I mean, I might start opening some football cards and putting it on YouTube. Why not? I want a new hobby. Give a hobby. So we've just arrived down at Damac, where sales centre, where Jaden is going to be getting his first property. As Jaden may have told you, he's worked with us now for just over a year. Around that time, he's come on leaps and bounds. Obviously got some money saved up behind him, and he's buying his first off-plan property. So we're just going to get everything sorted here today. I'm getting another one here today. I think his dad's getting another one. But yeah, the big milestone for Jaden getting his first one today. Buzzing. So have you got any good deals? I want deals. That's what I want.
And get a good deal.
If
because you're also buying off plan as well.
I've got someone that's ready to leave once, but I just want deals. And that's
off plan.
Not I said off plan. It's ready.
He said off plan.
He didn't.
No, he didn't. He said because they brought off
Because
plan.
you're buying off plan as well, then I can
Yeah.
get a better deal on a secondary.
If you just have you got my number? You have.
No, I'm going to take it just now.
Because then if I put 50% down, 50% mortgage, whoever's renting it out, we're paying it off.
Of course it will, yeah.
Makes so much more sense to me going to buy a big fuck off house. It's not making me no money. I'm just living in it.
Yeah.
But with these, I can.
Yeah.
People are paying more.
Good way of thinking, mate.
No, but this one's off plan. You sort me out what's good, and I want a price, what I'm in it, and I'll pay that. We'll get that done today as well. So that'll be 5 then. I'm getting up when I get to 20 quick.
Yeah.
How long will be off plans ready? So how long will I be able to get some? So if I come back in a month, can I get some more? Yes.
I'll always have deals for you.
Yeah. Because I'll just, and if you get out, I know you've got loads of other people, but if you get out where you think this is a fucking great deal, just give me a ring because I'll have it. But I just, you know, when you get to the point where someone once told me the other day, my mate, he says, if you go and look at some stuff, chuck stupid offers in at 20 of them, you'll get one.
Yeah.
Most of them will tell you to fuck off. Most of them will say bollocks, but you're going to get one. But I want someone that's going to work me and go, look, I've got this, mate. This is good. And I don't want it to be salesy where people go, I've got this, mate. It's good. I want it to be be honest with me. And you know that I want to. The reason why I'm going to get loads is because you're going to get good deals on them.
Exactly.
So I've just got another apartment. This is the apartment here that I've just bought. So that is now 6 apartments that I've got in my portfolio. The target is 20 by the end of next year, I'm going to say. So that is number 6 apartment bought. I've got 2 in Ras Al Khaimah next to the casino. I've got 2 in Leo's in Sport City. And now I've just bought 2 in here over Jody. Yeah, I actually came for 1 and ended up getting another one. So that's 6 on the road to 20 in the portfolio. Keep up to date and you can celebrate with me when I get to 20. I didn't expect that. We bought 1 more property. It was a bit of a shock to you, Jodie, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This is Jodie. I get Jodie, and this is my PA, Jodie. She sorts all my life and everything about it. She's in charge of what I spend and everything. But yeah, I didn't expect that. We went to sign for a 1-bed apartment that we've just bought, which would be good. The reason why I'm buying these is they're good for rentals. And for me, I just think I want to be putting all the money into something that's for the future. So my aim is to get like 20 rentals, so I'll have 20 properties, either 2 beds, 1 beds, studios. So let's say in 5 years' time, I've got 20. I've worked out that's an income of like 60 to 80 grand a month, like paid for. And I'm sat on 20 properties worth what would you say? 20 million?
Yeah.
I'd say 20 million. So I'm just going to keep chipping away at them, keep chipping away. No, not 20 million. They're not worth a million. 20 million dirhams, which is about 5 million quid. So I want to keep chipping away at them. And so then today, I thought, I've made a decision lately of not to buy a property that we're going to go for, a house that we will, look, that's just on orange. What's going off? I was going to buy a property that for me, Gemma and the kids to live in, and it was going to be a lot. And I thought, right, no, I'm not going to do that. So it's given me a little bit of money that I can spend elsewhere, chipping away at properties. So I surprised Jodie in the meeting where I was going to sign for it. And I just said, right, we'll buy a studio as well. So basically, I only have to put 5% down and then you chip away of putting another 10% down, then a 5%. And it's payments of like, what, 600 quid a month? So they're like off plan. So as you can see, this estate here, they're building everywhere. So they're building everywhere in Dubai. So I want to try and get good deals. As I've said to one of the agents there, Johnny, I said to him, I only want good deals. So My theory is if you slam a load of deals in or offers, say if you chuck 20 wild offers in where you think they're below price, one of them's going to say yeah. And they're the ones I want. The ones that you can get a good deal on and the ones that are actually going to say, okay, we'll have that. And you're getting it a bit cheaper. So you're saving a bit of money whilst investing. So heading off back to the office now. I think we're all going. Are you going back, Jodie?
Yeah.
All going back to the office. Today's been a really weird day trading. If you follow gold, you will know gold has had a rally from 4,300 area up to 4,600 now. So it's rallying. We've got 4 traders, and one of them is an institutional order flow trader. He is predominantly buys. He's looking for buys. Just put sells in, but he predominantly looks for buys. He, as you can imagine, is having a wonderful time at the minute. Gold, he's got runners galore. So I have had a little bit of a break today just because I've been doing this, and I like to know where the market's going to go and what it's going to do. And if I'm totally honest, I'm like, I don't know what it's doing at the minute. It could keep rising. I've got no runners in place. I don't really want to get involved in the market because it's either going to dump very soon. Oh, sorry about that. I missed the turning. It's either going to dump very soon or it's going to keep going up, and I'm not sure what it's going to do. So therefore, I don't want to get involved in the market. I'd rather just sit out of it. But I am going to go back to the office. We've got a few new clients signing up all the time, so I'm just touching base with them. I've got a client that's touched base in Dubai and wants to pop into the hub and see us. And we've obviously got the planning of the events that we're doing in Australia. I'm heading back to the UK sooner.
Oh, next week.
Next week, I'm heading back to the UK for a few days. I'm going on a training course with one of our traders because I want to properly plug into his strategy. And phenomenal trader. And I'm doing a little event at the Workshop Training Hub where I think 30 or 40 of my inner circle, they wanted to go down and do a training day and a trading day as well, so we can all trade together. My inner circle, so obviously we've got Blakey Trades community is massive now. We've got a lot of people there, a lot of affiliates. But if you sign up with me, then you're in my inner circle group. So a lot of them honestly, a lot of them are really becoming good traders now. We've had a lot of them talking in the group today. They're flying. Trading's it can be a lonely space, and if you're real about it, it's going to take you a time to learn it. It's not just a signals group where you get signals, you make loads of money. If you want to become a trader, then you need to put time into it and treat it like a profession. So I'm going to be meeting a lot of the guys when I go back to the UK. Sorry, I'm just navigating through some bollards. So yeah, but Fridays normally are a steadier day for us. I will be probably wrapping up around 4 or 5 o'clock, spend some time with the kids, normally go to the mall, have something to eat. But yeah, we are going to be jumping on YouTube and keeping you up to everyday life, what we get up to. Obviously, the investments and properties is something that I'm doing aside of trading at the minute, trying to build. Yeah, so we're not like any other trading community or like just a gold trading group, Signals. It's a knitted community where you're learning how to trade, a lot of mindset, people changing their lives in this, and not just money. Like trading can change your life. I always say this to people, trading can change your life, but you've got to be willing to change bits about yourself as well. Like I always use the saying, if nothing changes, nothing changes. You can't just keep doing the same stuff. Like I traded for 2 years without making any money, but I knew it worked. I knew every part of it worked, but I knew I had to change certain things. And now like, I document what I make inside my inner circle every day. I can have days where I earn 1,200 quid. I can have days where I make 5 grand. I can have days where I make 10 grand. But I can have days where I lose 4.5 or I lose 1,500. And obviously I win a lot more than I lose, but I tell people where I'm at. So it gives people an insight of, okay, it's not all win, 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 win. And if you join our community, you know that. If you join into the Zoom course, so a lot of people join. We've got thousands of members. A lot of people join, but they don't join the calls. They just literally want signals. And I try and urge you, unless you join the calls and figure out what it is to do with it and what mindset it takes and the psychology behind it, you're probably not going to succeed. You can make money from just signals, but not long term, and you can't genuinely change your life. So that's why we're going to be plugging in more on YouTube. Like, a couple of days a week, documenting what we're doing. Not going to be all this flashy lifestyle. Nah, it's not about that, because I want to build a strong relationship with the YouTube followers that, yes, I got this nice life now, but I got it through hard work, changing my mindset. Obviously, trading was a big part. And like I say, I show that how I trade. I don't show this like all these other people, like millions running it. It's all bollocks. It is all lies. like they're just showing you how to get you in. No, I'm going to show you the right way. Yes, I'm going to show you a bit of the lifestyle. I know a lot of people want to do that. A lot of people are interested in what crypto I hold, what properties I'm investing. Show you a bit about Dubai life, like what's it about here, why we're here. So yeah, keep plugging in. Make sure you subscribe and watch the journey of Blakey Trades, my personal life, and anything else that comes with it.